substrate-free air layering. That means air layering with no substrate. Air layering typically has been done with substrates which are either sphagnum moss, sawdust, and soil. But I have a new method which has worked very, very well, and it produces lots of roots without any hormones. It works very well. So this method, I've tried it on some trees, and it has worked perfectly well. You can try it as well, but it's very fast, and all you need is, you need a knife, you need a nylon, you must have a tape. Here, there's a tape here already, so you must have a sellotape. You need the foil paper, and then you need the ropes. Let's see the ropes. So these are the ropes. You need the ropes to tie it at the bottom and at the top. So let's go. So next, you just tie your nylon, and that's it. Up and down. First, you wrap it around. So remember, you're not putting anything inside. So don't. All right, so this, after 3 weeks, we're gonna check the results. Okay, let's open. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So, lots and lots of roots. So this method is very good. One of the advantages of this method is even if water goes in, it will still have roots. Because let me show you, look at this one. This one still has water, and you can see the roots are still out there. In fact, more roots on the side that has water. So it's a very, very simple method of air layering. You can see the branch. A whole lot of roots. Okay, so we're gonna remove it now. All right, so remove it. Let's see. Let's remove it. So be careful when you're using your blade. So carefully, you now tear the nylon wrap. Carefully tear it. Be careful. Wow, look at that. This is incredible. All right, let's cut it at the point there, yeah. All right, look at that. Look at that. It's a whole lot of roots out there. So this guava will turn out to be a very, very healthy tree. So we'll just go and plant now. All right, so we're gonna plant right now, okay?